Techart has rolled out a new line of Go Faster parts under the new flyweight line. To showcase its credibility, they are also building 19 examples of Porsche 911 Turbo S-based G-Street R flyweight. Here's what you need to know about it. Carbon fiber front splitter, hood and side fins with canards. Skid plate under the nose. 2-tire wing with air intakes. Performance upgrades include PowerKit TA092 T2.1 that consists of new turbos, air filters, a hand-welded exhaust. Now puts down 789 horsepower and 950 nanometers. 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed of over 350 km per hour. Öhlins coilover suspension. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Recaro Podium CF seats. With 3D printed padding and 6-point harnesses. What do you think about new Techart's Porsche 911 Turbo GT Street R flyweight? Drop your comments and let us know.